Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video we will show you how to fix error code 524 on Roblox Mobile. So guys, let's get started. First guys, open Roblox on your phone and go to more and go to setting, open setting and tap privacy. Now enter this detail on the other settings section, and as you can see here, this is my setting, and click this information and we will be saved successfully and may fix error. And so this is how you can fix guys error code 524 on Roblox using. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Then consider leaving like and subscribe to this channel, and any guys question down below and comment it, and I will happy to answer your question. So guys, see you on another video soon. Keep watching this video.